1968 Satellite Tribute Roadrunner, restored, 1,100 miles since completed. Original owner has owned it for 23 years, totally customized it. High performance 440, custom made automatic to handle the horsepower. Was in the body shop for a year just for body prep alone for a perfectly straight original California body. Excellent condition. Like I said, there's only 1,100 miles on it since it was completed. A very great local cruiser. Would make a great fun car for someone who want to have some weekend fun. As you can see in the interior, it is very clean, low usage. The gauges were upgraded. This was done in a Pro Mod style, which is custom interior, custom exterior, custom paint, above factory specs. Made to handle drive with custom front suspension. Has a great performance. Parts that were added to the vehicle. Starts up wonderful. Minor cosmetic blend on the interior, and maybe engine compartment detailing is all that it needs to be fine. Over 600 horsepower, runs on high octane. Does not burn smoke. Like I said, this vehicle only has 1,100 miles when completed. And now the owner is looking to find out a home. Nearly $140,000 was spent on the car over the last 23 years with receipts included. So if you're looking for a car to cruise and have a great summertime run and not have to worry about anything with it, this would be the ride for you. I'll have more information in the description if you'd like to take a look at it. And this vehicle is available for inspection 6 days of the year, or 6 days of the week, pardon me. And needs absolutely nothing to make it a fun cruiser from here to there. Thank you.